Here are 5 tips to help improve your vocabulary. 1. Read regularly. Make reading a daily habit. Choose a variety of materials like storybooks, newspapers, or magazines. Exposure to different genres and writing styles will introduce you to new words and their usage. 2. Use a dictionary. Keep a dictionary handy or use online tools like dictionary apps. Look up words you don't understand when you come across them. Pay attention to the pronunciation, meaning, and usage of the word. Try to use it in a sentence to reinforce your understanding. 3. Word games and puzzles. Play word games like Scrabble, Boggle, or crossword puzzles. These games are not only fun but also effective in expanding your vocabulary. Many apps and websites offer interactive word games designed to make learning enjoyable. Number 4. Create vocabulary flashcards. Write down a new word on one side of an index card and its definition on the other. Review these flashcards regularly. You can carry them with you and go through them during short breaks. 5. Practice writing. Start a journal or a blog where you can write about your daily experiences, thoughts, or creative ideas. Challenge yourself to include new words in your writing. This practice will help reinforce your vocabulary in a practical context. Remember, improving your vocabulary is a gradual process, so be patient and consistent in your efforts.